Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego bed, and it's really easy, so let's get started. These are all of the pieces that you will need to make the bed. So these are the pieces that you will need to make the main bed piece. You will need this 8 knob piece, color white, and you will need 2 more 8 knob pieces. These can be any color, as this is going to be the bed coverings. And you will also need this can be any color platform to make sure that all of the bed has something to be on, so it isn't just all in different pieces. The first thing that you will need to do is take this white 8 knob piece and put it at the top of your platform, and it should fit very well at the top. Don't put it floating in the middle because this is supposed to be the cushion. And then you're going to take your 2 other any color 8 knob pieces, and you're just going to put them underneath the top white piece. Just stick them anyhow. You can put them upwards or you can put them sideways. I put them sideways, and this is your bed piece. Now we are going to create the headrest. Making the headrest is stacking 3 8 knob pieces on top of each other like this. And that's your headrest. This is how to create the side table. The only thing that isn't optional is this 4 knob block, but the rest you can put anything on top of it. And I'm putting this telephone, and to make it come off easily, I'm going to put this 2 knob block on top. So how to create it is you take your 4 knob piece, and if you're like putting a bunch of flowers, you can put it in the middle, but as I'm going to put a phone on top, I'm going to put this 2 knob piece on one of the sides. I'm putting it on this side, and then putting the telephone on top of the 2 knob piece, and that's your side table. This is how to make the other side table. You are going to also need another 4 block piece, and I'm going to make a tissue box on top. So I'm taking this thin green 2 knob piece and this grill looking liney looking piece, and I'm going to put this 2 knob thin green piece on top of my 4 knob piece, and then putting this grill looking piece on top, like on top of the 2 knob thin piece like this. And that's my tissue box. Now let's join all of our bed pieces up. We are first going to take our main bed that we made first and put it on wherever we're going to put it. And now we're going to take the headrest, and we're just going to put it where the cushions are, not on top of the cushions, but just above the cushions like this. Then we are going to take our first phone side table where we put the phone, and we're going to put it on one side of the bed. I'm putting it on this side over here. And then I'm going to take the other side table and put it just opposite like this. And that's your bed. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!